Good morning friends. Today we will start with the new chapter Arithmetic Progressions, in short form AP. Before we go to the exercise, we will see some definitions and some formulae which are used in all this exercise to solve the sums. Let's see the definition of arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number d, small d, d is called as common difference, to the preceding term except the first term. The fixed number is called the common difference, that is small d. The general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Second point, a given list of numbers A1, A2, A3, and so on is an AP if the common difference A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 give the same value. That is, if A of k plus 1 minus AK is same for different values of k. Third point is, if an AP with first term A, small a, and common difference D, that is small d, the nth term is also called as general term, is given by An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Fourth, these are all formulae. Fourth point, the sum of the first n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Again I repeat, Sn means sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is number of terms. N means number of terms. A means first term and D means common difference. Fifth point, if L is the last term, An is also called as L. An is also called as L. L means last term. If L is the last term of the finite AP, say the nth term. Nth term means An. Sum of all terms of the AP is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Now we will start with first exercise, that is exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1, question number 1. In which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an AP and why? What is the meaning of AP? When the common difference is same, then the series forms an AP. Let's see here whether we get the common difference same or not. The first term is the taxi fare after each kilometer. When the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for an additional kilometer. For first kilometer, it is 15 and after that it is rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So how to begin and how to check? First I will write that. Let An be the fare for the first n kilometer. We will see what is A. A means the charge for the first kilometer. A is 15. A is also called as A1. A1 means first term. Even if you write A or A1, it is same. Now we'll find, okay, this second term, that is A2. A2, what is A2? Is equal to A plus D. A means the charge for the first kilometer and D means the fare for the additional kilometer, that is called as the common difference, right? A is what? 15 plus D is what? 8. So it is 23. So A2 is 23. Now I'll find A3. At least we should have first 3 terms or 4 terms, okay, if you want to check whether the series forms an AP or not. A3. A3 means third term. A2 means second term. How to write second term? A plus D. A3 means third term. How to write third term? A plus 2D. A is how much? 15 plus 2D means 2 into 8. This is 15 plus 2 8s are 16. 15 plus 16 is 31. Is 31. Now we will check, okay, whether I'll rub this sum and we'll check. Therefore, the series is, what is the series? 15, 23, 31 and so on. So on means, okay, we can find A4 also, A5 also, A6 also. But okay, when you find 3 or 4, they are sufficient to check whether the series forms an AP or not. Because the question is, we have to check whether it forms an AP and what is the reason. Reason we will see now. Okay, we will see now first A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2 is 23 minus A1 is 15. What is 23 minus 15? 8. Now we will take A3 minus A2. What is A3? 31 minus 23. What is 31 minus 23? 8. Look at the common difference. A2 minus A1 is 8. A3 minus A2 is 8. Means common difference is same. So when the common difference is same, it forms an AP. Therefore I will write, therefore 15, 23, 31 forms an AP. Because the question is, we have to check which of the following situation make an AP. This makes an AP. Why? Because we have seen the common difference. Common difference is same. If the common difference is same, this series forms an AP. Otherwise, it does not form an AP. Clear? Second sum. Second sum. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So what is the meaning here? What is the cost of digging for first meter? It is rupees 150. Means A is 150 and D is, okay, rupees 50, because for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter, means for every subsequent meter the difference, okay, is 50. Rise means it will become 200, right? So this is A. Now I will find A2. A2 means, right, second term is equal to A plus D. That is 150 plus 50 is equal to 200. Third term is A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A is what? 150 plus 2D means 2 into 50. This is 150 plus 250 is 100. So 150 plus 100 is 250, right? Therefore I'll write. Therefore, okay, the series is 150, then 200, 250, and so on. Right? Now let's see. After this, we'll see A2 minus 7. A2 was what? 200 minus A1 was 150. So what is 200 minus 150? 50. Then A3 minus A2. What was A3? 250 minus A2 was 200. What is the common difference? 50. Yes, as the common difference is same. Okay. The series forms an AP. I will write here as the common difference is same. Therefore, the series forms an AP. Question number 2. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given below. First term is A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. For the first term, we will see A is 10, D is 10. We have to find first 4 terms. First term is already given. First term is already given. Right? A1. Now we will find A2. What is A2? A2 is equal to A plus D. A2 means second term. A2 is equal to A plus D. What is A? 10. What is D? 10. So A2 is equal to 20. Third term means A3. Third term means A3. A3, how is A3 written? A plus 2D. How we have to write A3? A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A is what? 10. 2D means 2 into D. 2 into, what is D? 10. So it is 10 plus 2 tens are 20 is equal to 30. So what is A3? 30. Now we find the fourth term because we have to find 4 terms. A4. A4 means fourth term. How to write A4? A plus 3D. What is A? 10 plus 3D means 3 into 10 is equal to 10 plus 3 tens is 30. 10 plus 30 is 40. Right? How to write first 4 terms now? After this, we will write after finding A1, A2, A3, A4, we have to write the first 4 terms. Then we have to write like this. The first 4 terms of an AP are 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. This is the method, okay, to write the first 4 terms. So this was the first sum. Now we will see the second sum. Second bit. Second. What is second bit? A is minus 2. D is 0. A means A1. Now you find A2. A2 is equal to A plus D. What is A? Minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2. Third term means A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A is what? Minus 2 plus 2 into D. D is what? 0 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 into 0 is 0. So it is minus 2. Fourth term means A4. A4 is written as A plus 3D. What is A? Minus 2 plus 3D means 3 into D. 3 into D is 0 is equal to minus 2 plus 3 into 0 is 0. What is the answer? Minus 2. Therefore, the first 4 terms of an AP are, first term is minus 2, second term is also minus 2, third term is also minus 2, fourth term is also minus 2. So this is the method, okay, to find the first 4 terms.